welcome back to my channel. If you are new, hey, it's nice to meet you. My name is Erica. Sometimes I make weird noises and I love colors. And comment down below what you love, what's something unique about you. If you're old, what's up, sis? Thank you for joining us back for another video. Today we are going to be doing a lip contour video, so let's get into it. For this tutorial, you're going to need 3 products: a lipstick and 2 lip pencils. Don't be fooled, honey. I love that makeup really has no rules, because this is actually an eyeliner. This is a darker one. You want to use a darker one, and then you want to use a one that's a little bit lighter than that. After you're done applying your lip plumper, you got those nice and full lips, honey, looking juicy. So we're going to start by just normally lining our lips. I'm gonna make sure I don't have any. Okay, and then you'll see how I kind of left my Cupid's bow unlined. So we are going to take that lip liner. Oh, I'm liking how this is looking. This makeup is looking cute. Okay, I'm gonna take this lip liner, and then we are just going to, my Cupid's bow isn't as defined, but if it is, you want to take like the 2 highest peaks of it, and you want to draw a line like across the middle connecting the 2 peaks. Helps if you like tuck your lip in. Then you're gonna go ahead and do a little bit at the bottom. We are gonna go back in with this lip liner just to kind of blend in these edges together. And then we'll just run it a little across the top, just a little bit, so it's not like super dark. And then the bottom, just so those merge. And then we are going to take this lip liner again and fill in the corners. Take your finger just to blend it out. Next, we are going to take that deeper color and very, very gently go over that area. Now we're gonna put some colors on it. So I am going to be using MAC's Blankety, but I think any like nude would be really cute. So the key is you don't want to rub it, so we're just going to start patting. Putting the line is like kind of counterintuitive, because if you want to add like a little bit of a lighter color right in the center, it would kind of cover this line anyway. So that's what we're gonna do, because I'm not feeling how that's looking. You're doing too much, Erica. You're doing too much. Okay, so for this part, you can kind of just a little. There. And I'm dragging it forward. So that is the finished look, you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope that you tried out for yourself. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!